Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Are you a student of class 9 to 12 and passionate about science? Then today's video is for you because I am going to tell you about amazing summer internship or outreach program at IISER Bhopal, especially designed for school students. Now let's see. So every year IISER Bhopal organize a week-long summer outreach program for high school students studying in classes 9, 10th, 11th and 12th across India. So let us see the program highlight. So first thing is faculty interaction. Student will engage in dialogue with leading faculty member across natural science, engineering science and humanities and social science. They are also going to witness advanced instrumentation or research equipment in IISER Bhopal. Then holistic learning like a special module on science communication and history of science. Now let us see the participant information. So student currently studying in classes 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th as of May 2026 are eligible to apply for this internship program across India. The selection process is strictly based upon the criteria approved by IISER Bhopal, and they are also going to provide the food and accommodation. Selected student will be provided its secure on-campus hostel housing and nutrition meal, and they are also going to get certificate and recognition. If they successfully complete the full program, student will be awarded official certificate of participation from IISER Bhopal. Now let us see the important date or schedule. So this application is already started on 17 March 2026 and last date for submission of form is 5th April, means still you have more than 13 days, and they are going to give the shortlisted list by 10th April and you need to pay 2000 rupees per candidate, and final deadline of payment is 15th April, means you are going to get 5-day time to pay the fees. And 3rd May you will be check-in at IISER Bhopal campus hostel by afternoon, and your program will start on 4th May and it will end on 9th May, and this is summer outreach program. Now let us see how you can apply. So for that you need to go on this website. This is the official website cs2.iiserb.ac.in/soc.php. Now on the top here it's written register now for summer outreach camp 2026. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to get this form where you need to enter your surname, name, father's name, gender, date of birth. Then you need to upload your photograph, your permanent address, state, city, pin code. Then you need to enter your email ID. 2 email ID you need to enter, but all the communication will be sent on the first mail ID. Then your contact number, your address, then standard you are studying. Then you also need to enter the detail of your previous classes. Like if you are studying in class 9th, you need to enter only class 8th detail. If you are studying in class 10th, then you need to enter 8th and 9th. If you are studying in 11th, 8th, 9th and 10th. All this detail you need to enter. Then you need to mention why you want to attend the summer camp at IISER Bhopal. Then what are your expectation from this summer camp? What is your favorite subject? What do you wish to do after class 12? What do you wish to be in your life? So you need to mention all these things. Then how do you know about this summer camp? Have you attended this program earlier? After filling all this, check this box and click on submit button. So student, if you are passionate about science and want real exposure, don't miss this golden opportunity and apply as soon as possible. Take your first step toward becoming the scientist. If you found this video helpful, like the video, hype the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for latest student opportunities.